Hi guys, today we are going to be playing Paper Plane Simulator. So I guess the point of the... I guess the point of the game is to throw... I don't know why I wasn't moving, but I guess the point of the game is to throw paper airplanes. And I guess it's kind of... So guys, this game is called a Paper Plane Simulator. I don't remember if I said it in the first, and when I, said it in the first one, but I think I can see this guy. He's throwing like 4 paper airplanes at the same time. Maybe you can get different airplanes. So I'm gonna go to the shop. That's just a plane. That's a folded dart. We can get it. So now, I don't know what does it do? Do we get... It does more. It does how much? I don't know how much it does. But, I'm gonna go sell my coins. All right, now I have 200. Let's go to the paper plane. Is there weird... The question is, where do we questions? We need more questions. Oh, it's up here. Aha, sneaky. So first is 75 on 69. We don't have enough for 169. Let's throw it. It missed, but it got in one. Come on. That's a weird angle. Yes, that's a good angle. Yes. Go, my friends. Go. Go. Attack. Come on, man. Go, attack. 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 We are attacking these things. Right, let's go sell our coins. What is this, like a mountain? That has to be some sort of mountain or something. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. So I guess it goes on. Like, I don't know if there's a limit to this game because sometimes there are, sometimes there's not. And how do these guys get this high of a level? I have no idea. It gives us 2 at a time. Yeah, not that very good. But I guess, I don't know what just happened, but now we're getting 2 jumps instead of 1. Who knows? 169, nice. I mean, no, stop. I don't want a new paper airplane. Just get me over here. Right, so I think I'm gonna buy a new paper airplane. Nah. I didn't know you could make a paper crane. A paper crane? How do you make a paper crane? That's insane. But I guess it gives us more. It gives us 5. I guess when we throw it out in the open, it's a lot better because I just got a lot more than before. Is there any pets? Yes, there are pets. I'm gonna go see where pets are. Pets, where are you? Pets. 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 Where are you? Up here. Yes. Where are the pets? Are the pets down here? No. Where are the pets? I just want to know where the pets are. Like, what are you doing up here? Like, you got I'm gonna ask them how to get pets. How to get pets. How to get pets. I just want to know how to get pet. Has he responded? No, he has not. I'm gonna follow him because he knows what to do. I'm whispering because I don't want him to know. Okay, I'm done. No, I don't want the crane. 864, nice. All right, so now we can get an invader. A strong invader. All I want to know is how to get pets, like 1.6 trillion. Jeez, that's a lot. That's a lot. Yep, that's a lot. Are these guys? Jeez, what? 49 trillion. This guy's only. I feel like these guys are hacking. We're at level 16. I feel like. Wait. We can literally throw paper airplanes to the ground. I don't know if we like hit someone's paper airplane, it gives us more, because I don't know if we like. I'm gonna try to hit my own airplane, but that's gonna be really hard. Well, and also I want to know, what are these potions? Guys, comment down below. What are these potion thingies doing to my level bar? Are they my levels? Or are they things that I buy with my pets? Who knows? I feel like I've been going over a little bit. What is this? Remote cell. It's a remote seller. Basically. Let's go over here. 600 coins? That's so much coins. Oh man, I have no idea how people are this good at this game. It's unbelievable. Like, who even tries to play it? But now we can actually go buy 381. Just has 381, there's no name. I don't know. But now we can hold 381 planes in our pocket. I don't think we have 381 packets though. Ouch! I found a secret bush. Imagine if there was just a secret pet inside of the bush. That would be so cool. No one in. You are you. Ha. Got him. Okay, maybe he's not. Hey, get this thing out of here. Whenever I put my mouse like all the way up to my screen, it creates a white line, and I try to get rid of it. But I think there's like, I don't know, a black line on the screen. If you guys can see the line, you might not see it, but I can see it. Oh, there's the pets. All right, they're over here. They probably cost like trillions of quintillions of fentillions. Not quintillions and fentillions and trillions of fenillions of quinillions and frankillions and shuckinillions and nickelillions. I don't know if I'm even saying numbers. Let me throw my airplane through the hoops so I can get a pet. I'm just gonna make this go in until I reach 500 gems. It's gonna take 1.5 years. I feel like it's been a year and a half. It hasn't been though. It has not been a year and a half. Get in. Get in. I said get in already. Just get inside of the ring thingy. Just get inside now. Get inside. Give me them diamonds. I want 500 diamonds or gems, whatever they are. Some look like gems, some look like diamonds. If you look, see? Look, diamonds or gems, diamonds or gems. Which one are they? I don't know. Comment down below. I don't know what they are. Diamonds or gems, which one? I'm just gonna go with gems because that's what they usually. Yes! Yes! First pet. Unlocked. Who's this guy? His name is Wizard. He's down there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes. We got a nice pet. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know if he gives us more coins or if he gives us more gems. I don't know. I don't know if he gives us nothing. I don't know what he does. I went the wrong way. I keep messing up. Because it looks like that would be it, right? Yeah. I'm gonna get, alright. We can get a strong invader. Nice. Throw them up into the sky. Yes. Fly. Fly, fly, fly. Right, let's see if we can get inside. Yes, we can. We are getting inside from all the way over there. Get it? Yes. Oh my, we're getting 12 diamonds. I think you have to hit the ring now because I'm just flying. I'm not getting any gems when I'm going through them. Alright, I don't know. Jump. What happens if I jump and throw them? I'm level 45. That's pretty good. Level 45 is pretty good. So, now that I'm understanding something, he has more gems. He's on a lower level, more coins. Is it the gems or the coins? It's totally not the levels because, yeah. We know. No, he's better. I'm getting confused. I'm getting so confused right now. What is... It looks so confusing. But I'm like, oh, this is totally it. And this is the buying station. Because, yeah. Right, so I guess I was wrong. And the guy that has iron or something is ABC. Yep. ABC. Wait. Is it adding to this? Or is it also adding to that thing? I have no idea. But I guess we must whisper now. Because we do not want them to find us. That way we have a wizard that can summon like infinite things. Well, basically. Yes, we're better than him. We're better. I repeat that we are better. I repeat that we are better than him. We are better than him. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, we are better than him. It's not the level though, sadly, but we are better than him. Stop getting confused. Yay, 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 yay. Make it in, and come on. The good thing is that we throw 2 at the same time now because we have a wizard. Yeah, the wizard. It's a wizard! Right, level 84. He's on level 75, 85, 87 now. We are almost level 100. What type of pets do these guys have to get that high of a level? Right, let's go through here and get tons of gems now. Or diamonds. I don't know what they are. But we're almost on level 100. 99. 100. Level 100. Oh yeah. Jeez, he is getting demolished. What do we get? 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 We get a heavy knight. Okay. It doesn't do a lot. Yeah. Nope. Heavy knight. Nope. Not on club. Nope. You're not allowed. You're not allowed. Right. I'm gonna go back up here and get this. It's called 1.9 thousand. I'm not lying. It's literally called 1.9 thousand. There's no name. Okay. Right. Let's go in here. I don't know why everyone is shooting in there. It does not give you multipliers. It does not do anything. I feel like I'm shooting more planes. Yeah, I feel like I'm shooting a lot more planes than before. Alright, you can get a torpedo. Ooh, I played with these in the pool. Yeah. These things were so fun. I'm shooting them to the sun. Why is it blue? It's a blue sun. It's a blue sun. Yep, it's a blue sun. Blue sun. So yeah. Blue sun. Blue sun. Oh yeah. Right, we can sew again. And we can throw them back all the way to the moon. What's up there? I missed it. I'm throwing them in outer space. When will they come down? They're coming down. What happens if it falls directly on my head? Come on. I think they kind of fall just directly. I've never seen torpedoes bounce or airplanes bounce, but maybe it hit the ground that hard. Who knows? Right. We can get another backpack. Boom. Next one is 9.6 thousand coins. I think we can do it. So now we can go up to 4.3 thousand inventory. Yeah. It's just called inventory. I don't know why. It's literally just called inventory. Let's get our next airplane. Okay, we don't have enough. Jeez, that is a. Jeez Louise. We're on level 161. 163, I mean. Look at his level. Jeez. That's my catchphrase. Yes. Because that's what roosters sound like, right? Yeah. I want a hatchet. Hatchet. What do I get? Another wizard! Another lizard! Let's go! Equip the wizard! Now! Yes! Woohoo! We're gonna be gaining levels now. We are gonna be gaining. We're gaining on them. We're coming. We're coming for them. I'm coming for them. I don't know how to talk. I'm coming for them though. You better watch out. I'm coming for them. Another huge thing. I don't know. They're just blasting off. Like 9.7 thousand to 21,000. All right. We are destroying the other guys, but we are not on level 1,000 like him. Because he's going up like 2 levels every time. He is the king of pets. Literally the king of pets, basically. All right, we can get a different airplane. Yes, the Heron. Or the Huron. I don't know what it is. It looks like a Heron or Huron. Something like that. But now, why are we getting more gems? Does it matter about what type of air? Yeah, it matters what type of airplane we have. So you're like the final airplane. You're like the king. And also, is there rebirths here? I would say probably, yeah. All right, we can I think we can get, let's see. We can probably get 21,000. Yes, we can. 49,000. Chase, it's blowing out. It's blowing out. It's blowing out again. Throw it to the moon. Throw it to the clouds. Go to the clouds. Yes! Let's go! Oh my heavens! We did it! Let's go! Yes! Boom! Let's go! Yes! It fired up to the clouds like we wanted to. And I saw it. It touched it. See? It just goes through it. It's touching the cloud. Jeez, man. Right. Level 236. 241. Wait. No way. You're telling me. Wait, I have auto clicker, don't I? Yes. I forgot. I have auto clicker. So let me get auto clicker on. Right, this is how I get auto clicker. Let me this might look a little weird, but it's gonna work. Let me get it. There, okay, it's blocking it, I know. Wait, no, it's not there, it's there. And then that, and then let me put this back where it belongs. I don't know if it looks weird or not, but I don't, it could. So now that we have auto clicker, I can throw infinite airplanes and get basically infinite levels because every time I throw an airplane, I get up 1 level. So technically, we could beat him. It kind of depends. But yeah, I feel like, we can get 2 other pets. Is it really still a thing doing it? Right, let's hatch 2 of them. Success. That has to be good, right? Yes, it's good. Jester and hatch 1 more time. Please be a better one. Queen. Alright, let's do the ones that look like our channel. So ones that look like our channel. Let me unequip the wizard. Let me unequip all. So the ones that look like our channel are this, that, and that. Boom. Let's do it. Throwing infinite airplanes. We should be getting a lot more levels, right? Yep. Level 300. Oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna go sell because I finished. And I'm still gaining because I forgot. Yeah. 41,000. Let's go. Right. We can go buy another airplane. No, we can't. No, we can't. No, we can't. We cannot. But we can probably buy it. Yes, 49,000, and then our next 111. Let's go. Right. I'm gonna throw it in here for a bunch of years. Yes, a bunch of years. I'm going to be throwing them for 60 trillion hours. And yes, we might have beaten. We could beat him. I feel like can we beat Alpha Dog? I don't know why his levels have not gone up once. The question is, can we beat him to 700? Probably not. That's gonna take a while. But anyways, I feel like that's a good time to leave off. Level 351. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see ya next time, guys. Bye.